With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is write the absolute value of each of the following and we're given with four parts 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically we have to find the absolute value. Okay. So firstly let's understand what is the absolute value. So I am writing it mathematically. So mathematically absolute value is denoted by let us assume the value is x. So x and this is the sign of absolute value of x. Okay, so there are two conditions. Absolute value of x will be positive x. The condition is if x is greater than equal to 0, then the value is x, and the value will be minus x if x is less than 0. So these are the mathematical denotions for modulus of x. Okay, so now in the first part, we are given that we have to find the absolute value of minus 248. Looking at this condition, the value of x is less than 0, that is minus 248. So in that case, the absolute value will be equal to minus of x and minus of 248. So minus and minus is positive. So the absolute value of minus 248 is 248. I hope it is clear. Now let's proceed to the second part of the question, which is a minus 7. And we are also given with the condition that a is greater than 7. Okay. Now the one thing which is to be noted here is that if a is greater than 7, let us assume the value is 8 or 9. Let us assume 9. So 9 minus 7 is 2. So that is if the value is greater than 7, then this difference, this is always positive. It means that x is greater than 0 because the difference is greater than 0. So first condition will be applied. So in that case, if a is greater than 7, then the absolute value is equal to x only, that is a minus 7. Now let's proceed to the third part of the question, which says that a minus 7, a minus 2 is less than 7. Yeah, a minus 7, and the condition is that a minus 2 is less than 7. Let me check it once again. A minus 2 is less than 7. Yeah, so we are given with a minus 7 and the condition is applied on a minus 2. So how we will proceed? So it means that yeah, it is given that a minus 2 is less than 7. So we can also write it as a minus 7 is less than 2. Okay, so a minus 7 is this. So it is always less than 2. So less than 2 means if we will draw it on the integer line. So less than 2, that here it is 2. So less than is 1, also 0, minus 1, minus 2 up to infinity. So there can be any of the number. So in that case, what we find out is that which of the condition will be true here? The second one. That because the value is less than 0 also. Okay. So it will be less than 0. So what will be the absolute value? So the absolute value is equal to minus of x, that is minus of a minus 7. Now let's proceed to the fourth part of the question. And the fourth part is a plus 4. And what is the condition? Let me just see once. So a is greater than 4. A is greater than minus 4. So the condition here was that a is greater than minus 4. Okay. Now so a is greater than minus 4. So it means if here is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and so on. So if a is greater than minus 4, it means that it won't be minus 4. Okay, it would be greater than minus 4. So the value can be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and any of the value. So there is one thing to be noted is that if the value of a is greater than 4, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then this thing, I mean that when that value, that is a, it will be added with 4. So the value a plus 4 is always positive because the value of A is always greater than -4. So it will be always positive value. So in that case, which of the condition will be satisfied? The first one. This condition will be satisfied. And what will be the absolute value in this case? So the absolute value in fourth part will be equal to A plus 4. Okay. I hope these are clear. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.